This is how to create quick filters in Jira. From your Jira dashboard, go to search and find your boards. So go to all boards and choose your board and click these three dots. Choose edit settings, choose layout, and click quick filters. Then click create quick filter. Let's say bug only. And for our JQL, let's say issue type equals bug. And for a description, this is only for bugs. And click create. You can add more. So just click create quick filter and let's say ready for QA. For our JQL, let's say status equals progress. Let's say quality assurance and click create. So this is how to create quick filters in Jira.